DC Blue Astute infrared safety beams setup. Before we begin, please note that there is a cable entry point on the base of the operator in order to push your cable through to do the necessary wiring. We are going to showcase the infrared safety beam setup. We've already wired in the receiver of our beams to power up the beams, 12 volt auxiliary output in order to power up your beams, 100 ohm resistor which is supplied with the operator. Please ensure that this is between negative of the beam and common, and then in order to activate the beams, normally closed to PE on the control card. To set up, we are currently in standby mode with 2 lines. Press and hold set for 3 seconds. P flashes on the display. Scroll up to a lowercase b. Press and release set. Default is deactivated, which is on 0. Scroll up to 1 to activate. To save, press and release set. Display flashes P. You can either remain in program mode for additional settings or press and release exit back to standby mode.